Hello everyone, my name is Jenny. Today I'm very happy to stand here to make a presentation on the topic of intelligence, nature and nurture. So this is my presentation outline. The first one I will talk about the contemporary definition of intelligence. The next one is why we should care about intelligence. The next one is my viewpoint and my own story, and the roles of a healthy lifestyle in boosting intelligence. The next one is the roles of school attendance in improving intelligence. The next one is the roles of parental encouragement in enhancing intelligence. Last but not least is solutions. So first one, I will talk about the contemporary definition of intelligence. So, in an article, Neuronal Factors Determining Intelligence, as published on the website of National Center for Biotechnology Information (NCBI), Dickey and Roth claim that, according to the majority of behaviorists and animal psychologists, intelligence can be understood as mental or behavioral flexibility, or the ability of an organism to solve problems occurring in its natural and social environment. So the next one is why you should care about your intelligence. So, because intelligence contributes to the development of an individual, and the ability to adapt quickly to new changes, which requires intelligence, is really important in such constantly changing society. Last but not least, according to a study published on Medline, an online website, genetics factors underlie about 50% of the difference in intelligence among individuals. So that means the rest 50% depends on the way we take care of our intelligence. So this is my point of view. One's intelligence can be enhanced with a healthy lifestyle, parental encouragement, and school attendance. So, and this is my own story. When I was a child, I was diagnosed with slow development in my intellectual capacity. So I was suspected by everyone that I cannot perform academically well. But slowly, thanks to the encouragement I received from my mom and having a healthy diet and going to school, my intelligence has been considerably improved. So the first one is the roles of a healthy lifestyle in intelligence. A healthy lifestyle is comprised of healthy diets. According to a study conducted on 7,000 children who had different diets, indicates that a poor diet associated with an increased intake of processed foods, fat and sugar in early childhood may be associated with lower IQ at the age of 8.5. and an association between eating a healthy diet, including salads, fish, vegetables, pasta, and rice at the age of 8.5, and having a higher IQ at the same age is also found in this study. The next one is the roles of a healthy lifestyle in intelligence. And this one, a healthy lifestyle is also comprised of physical exercise. Heidi Gottman, in her article, Regular Exercise Changes the Brain to Improve Memory, Thinking Skills, published on the website of Harvard Medical School, states that many studies have suggested that the parts of the brain that control thinking and memory have greater volume in people who exercise versus people who don't. So the next one is the roles of school attendance in intelligence. Matt Swain, in her article, More School, More Challenging Assignments Add Up to Higher IQ Score, states that over the past century, schools have moved from learning focused on memorization to lessons that require problem solving and abstract thinking skills. In the article, 1 year of school comes with an IQ pump meta-analysis shows, published on the online magazine Science Daily. It is claimed that a year of schooling leaves students with new knowledge, and it also equates with a small but noticeable increase to students' IQ. The next one is the roles of parental encouragement in intelligence. A lecturer in his article, Childhood Stimulation, Key to Brain Development, Study 5, says that scientists found that the more parental stimulation a child gets around the age of 4, the more developed the parts of their brains dedicated to language and cognition will be in the decades ahead. So last but not least is solutions. In my opinion, people should not feel ashamed of their poor cognitive ability. Instead, more time should be spent on improving improving their intelligence by learning new knowledge, doing physical exercise, and having a nutritious diet to push the brain power. And for parents, it is also crucial that they create an optimal environment for their children to develop their mental ability. And parents should also avoid criticizing their children of their intellectual capacity because this only worsens the situations. And last but not least is more extracurricular activities should be organized for people to participate to broaden their horizon and to release the daily stress for healthier mental well-being. So this is the end of my presentation, and thank you for your attention. If you have any question related on the topic of intelligence, you can text me or leave a comment behind my YouTube video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.